Hello, my name is Michaela Cunningham, and my preferred name is just going to be Michaela, and this is going to be Cooking Lab 1, making caramel. This is everything that I'm going to be using to make the caramel today. We're going to start off by adding 1 cup of sugar to our saucepan, and then 1 cup of water also to the same saucepan. And then we're going to heat this on medium-high heat until it starts boiling and our sugar is dissolved. I forgot to mention I am going to be using a spatula and stirring while the sugar is dissolving in the hot water on our medium-high heat. Now that our sugar is completely dissolved, we're going to take a little sample of this and put it to the side so that we can taste our simple syrup. Now I'm going to return this to the stove and then boil this until I get an amber color. Our simple syrup is boiling now, but since I don't see an amber color yet, I'm going to continue to let this boil before I add the butter. So I've been boiling the simple syrup for about 10 minutes, and I'm just now getting a yellow hue to it, but I'm going to do a couple more minutes to get more of an amber color. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes for the bubbling of the simple sugar. It's getting a lot more amber now, and my bubbles are starting to go slow. So now I'm just going to get my 6 tablespoons of butter and put that in there so we can start the rest of the caramel process. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the butter in, and then I'm going to start to let that dissolve. And then whenever this gets to a deeper amber color, that's when we're going to add our heavy cream. So our butter is fully melted and our mixture is pretty thick right now, but I'm going to wait till it's a little bit more of an amber color before I start to add our heavy whipping cream. All right, our mixture is a lot darker than it was. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a whisk instead of the spatula and slowly whisk in this heavy cream. I just did a half a cup of the heavy whipping cream. And now I'm going to stir pretty consistently and let this cook for, I'm going to say maybe about 10 minutes, but until it looks how I want it to look. This is about 5 minutes after adding the heavy whipping cream. It is a lot thicker, but I am going to keep going. So I was going to go to 10 minutes, but I'm here at about 8 minutes and it's already really thick and probably the consistency that I'm going to want it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into this glass casserole dish with parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to my pan, and I'll let you guys know when it's done. This is the final product after cooling it. It doesn't look very good, but it tastes pretty good. It kind of just dissolves on your tongue.